Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get credits in Hailuo AI, whether you're a new user or just trying to top up. Let's jump in. First, sign into your Hailuo AI account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right. You'll see your credit balance right beside the subscribe button. Go ahead and tap on that little credit icon. You'll see how many credits you've earned or used so far. Now, if you're brand new to Hailuo, good news, you automatically get like 1,000 free credits just for signing up. Pretty nice, right? And here's another bonus. If you log in every single day, you'll get 100 credits as a daily reward. Just make sure you're logging in continuously to keep it going. But if you need more credits for longer videos or advanced features, you can go for one of the paid plans. The standard plan's around $8 a month with 1,000 credits. The pro plan's about $28 for 4,500 credits. The master plan's roughly $64 for 10,000 credits. And the ultra plan gives you 12,000 for around 124 bucks. If you want unlimited use and access to the top models, there's also the max plan, about $200 a month. That gives you 20,000 credits and all the premium features. And hey, if you're just testing things out, the free plan works fine too. You can make 6-second clips in 768p, but you can only run one task at a time, and that's pretty much it. Daily credits, bonus credits, or paid plans if you need more. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and yeah, check out the next tutorial.